Welcome back to Maths Aid. In this question on circle geometry, we are asked to find the value of QRS. That is the angle right here. Angle QRS. I can say that I have a cyclic quadrilateral because I have the vertices Q, P, S, and R on the circumference of the circle. So that means I have a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, then it is quite easy for me to find angle PQR because angle PQR and the angle given to me, which is PSR, are opposite to each other. And we know that opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So PQR plus PSR is 180 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic chord. So that means PQR plus 56 degrees equals to 180 degrees. That means PQR is 180 degrees minus 56 degrees, and that will give me 124 degrees. Now that I know that PQR, the angle here, is 124 degrees. I was told in the question that PQ is equal to QR. That is, the chords PQ and QR are equal in size. So let's produce a line that joins R to P. Now that I've done that, I can now find the base angles of the triangle formed. That is, I can find angle QPR, and which is the same thing as angle QRP. That is the angle here and the angle here. Since the sides are equal, that means an isosceles triangle is formed. That means angle QRP will be equal to angle QPR because they are base angles of isosceles triangle. So if PQR that we just calculated is 124 degrees, 124 degrees, that means QRP, and which is equals the same thing as QPR, will be half of the difference between 180 degrees and 124 degrees. If this is confusing for you, we can say, in fact, let me clean it so that it will not confuse you. QRP plus QPR in the triangle plus angle PQR is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. That is, we are referring to this triangle Q, R, and P. So QRP and QPR, of course, they are the same, so I can just pick one of it. So QRP, 2QRP equals to 180 degrees minus PQR, which is 124 degrees. So that means 2QRP equals to 56 degrees. That means QRP will be equals to half of 56 degrees, which is 28 degrees. Now, since I know my QRP, then I automatically know what QPR is as well, which is 28 degrees. So we just found this angle and this angle. Now that we know what that angle is, you should also remember that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. We have a semicircle because From the question, we're told O is the center of the circle. That means the line PS is a diameter. So if PS is a diameter, that means I have a semicircle. So the angle PRS is 90 degrees. This angle right here is 90 degrees. PRS is 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Remember that my aim is to find angle QRS. So now that we know PRS, which is the angle here, and we also know angle QRP, we can see from the diagram that angle QRS that we're looking for is the sum of angle QRP and PRS, which is 28 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is 108 degrees. That's the final answer. That's the value of angle QRS.